Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you an unboxing video of the Fur 86. This model is black, and its main feature is the dual unit bi-directional intimate call function for Genshin Impact. It charges for 5 minutes and allows for 2 hours of music playback, and it also supports appreciation, so it has an ultra immersive space. And the audio functions are quite numerous. Now let's take a look at its appearance.
Oh, I must cry about this, but the performance is beyond reach.
Half a day. It says something here. Dust proof. Inner sleeve. It also has an instruction. It seems to have a function for sliding to increase and decrease the volume. As for the external class, there might not be much difference in nuclear weapons. This earphone case, and then this one has added something new, not sure what it is, maybe a microphone. Inside, let's see what this is. Oh, ear tips, oh my! Li Tao. Where is he from? See ya. What else is there? A charger. Each manual. The sound quality of the earphones should still be quite good. Let's open it directly. Okay, there's a class here. It still feels quite nice. Heart you enter. I also have cotton bands. Marta also has an explanation on how to use and wear it. What does everyone think about this? Especially profound. So you will raise a cat.